I thought I'd show you how it gets a little rough water here once in a while. I was driving and Stu was sleeping down here, and this is what happened. TV fell out, and some stuff fell on the floor. I'm on the internet right now, so I'm okay. This is what we're seeing right now. There's big water out here. It doesn't look too bad except when you sit down and you see the windows. Yeehaw! And yes, I'm having a ball. It's awesome. Of course, I'm the only one eating lunch too, so who knows what's going on. Anyway, all's fine. I'm checking in my internet and email and catching up on different things. And we're about 30 minutes out from the buoy, from Ilwaco, and then we're going to go in there for the night. And if it's lousy tomorrow, we're going to stay there. So we're done for now. We're traveling about 13, 14 knots. So bounce around pretty good, it looks like. See you later. Bye.